A little over a year ago, I decided to grow out my natural hair color, which is surprisingly to some prematurely gray. Yeah, anything up here that looks like it might be a highlight, like this guy, all me. I dyed my hair blonde to help blend with the grays, but it can be difficult to keep it ashy. So I normally like to use a purple shampoo, but I ran out. And this year I've been switching all my products to clean beauty products, so I've kind of just been too lazy to research and find one that is going to suit my needs now. I mean, I'm just going to be cutting all of this off anyway, so I haven't been in a rush. But Bold Uniq saw my recent gray hair video, and they asked if they could send me some purple shampoo. When I went to their website and looked at what the product was all about, it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Paraben-free is a big one for me, and it's sulfate-free. So I was like, yeah, please send me some of that. So they sent over a package, and I'm gonna see what's in here. Okay. Okay, so this is what we have here. It is their purple shampoo. It removes brassy and yellow tones. Use longer for a silver ash look. Cruelty-free and vegan, paraben, and sulfate-free, like I already said. 1 to 5 minutes to remove unwanted brassiness or yellow tones. On first use sparingly and leave for a maximum of 2 to 3 minutes for stronger silver ash. Gray tones build up, blah blah blah. So it looks like you can leave it on for a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm not going to be super bold today. The dilemma I have here is that this stuff is kind of yellow, but up here is very much my natural, well, I said it's my natural color, so I don't want, like, to stain this. I don't want this to leave it all on and, like, this ends up purple and then down here tones to a silver color, so I think I'm just gonna be conservative today, do a quick rinse with it, and then maybe leave it on longer on the ends. Oh, and they also sent a little brush. It's very, very cool. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna get a shower, remember what I look like right now, and I will be back. Okay. Cut to the next scene where Are you ready for the results? What do we think? I think it looks really good. I mean, I don't remember what it looked like now, but I think it looks a lot more silver. I'm super impressed. I left the shampoo on for 2 minutes. Like, I shampooed my entire head, left it on for 2 minutes, timed it. And then I rinsed it out. And then for the ends, I just kind of took some of my hair and put some extra shampoo on it and left it for 5 minutes. So, and this is what we got too. I really like it. I think it turned out great. The shampoo is so dark too. When I first saw it, I was like, holy. It's very dark purple, so it can definitely be careful. You could definitely stain some stuff with it. If you're interested in trying out the product yourself, I'll leave everything in the description below, their website, Instagram and whatnot. And yeah, if you want to see my gray hair video, if you're curious and you haven't seen it yet, I'll leave it up here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I want you to remember, don't just make up your face, make up your mind too, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.